rid of some of my jugs.
Oh, safety's on.
Hi everybody, welcome to Ohio Gentleman Arms. Natalie here, and today you guys are going to help me get rid of some of my jugs. I have a lot of gallon jugs from water. We live in the country. I use a lot of water. So I'm trying to not look like Hillbilly Haven around here with junk all over. Let's get at it. Let's get rid of them. Try these pop cans. Oh, it's empty. Do I go down in here?
Just put one in, rack it, rack the action.
This?
Yep, close it up. Is your safety on?
Uh-huh.
Alright, now turn it over. That's it. Getting ate up by mosquitoes.
I know, these mosquitoes already. They're horrible. Maybe I can get some of them. I don't know what happened. Something got stuck.
Alright.
So I guess I short chucked it. That's what happened. That's why it didn't go. Kurt fixed it for me. Oh, that's all the slugs we got. I got rid of some of them. Let's go clean up the mess. From the hip. Woo! Get it, boy.
Oh, safety's on. Flinch. Oh well.
If you like watching our channel, then make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Share this video with the friends.
Take two.
All right.